5 best inventory management softwares for small businesses. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick rundown of the top 5 small business friendly inventory softwares. Now, these tools are amazing for people that are just growing their businesses, and they all have a wide array of features available. Some of them have pretty similar features, while some have some standout features as well. So, in no particular order, let's get started. Now, number one on our list is Zoho Inventory. But before we take a look at all of the tools in our list, we need to understand what a inventory management software is. Well, inventory management is the process of tracking materials or stock purchases from suppliers, manufacturers, or vendors. The tracking process continues until the sale of that particular product is managed into inventory. So, with inventory, we are able to keep track of what we have purchased and how much of it we have purchased. Now, this can be done in all of these tools, but all of these tools also have some other features that can help you in making this process easier. So, Zoho in itself is an all in one tool, and Zoho Inventory is part of their business suite designed for small to medium enterprises. The cloud based inventory solution allows you to simply manage customer orders, invoices, purchases, shipments, and more all at the same time. There are some smart automations which allow you to automate repetitive manual tasks, and you also have access to powerful tracking that extends beyond inventory management. This will allow you to track from adding a new contact to driving revenue. Basically, the entire sales process is going to be tracked for you. And the free plan allows for one location and one user to manage your inventory process. There are up to 50 orders on the free plan, which also allow you to simply manage all of your inventory processes across Zoho, and it is pretty ideal for small to mid-sized businesses. Now, if you're looking to grow and scale Zoho inventory in a one solution for your business management, you can actually opt for their suites and get a better value for what you are purchasing on Zoho. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Square Inventory. Now, this is a system for retailers and restaurants, and once you get started for free, you can manage all of your products and customer items. You also can do orders, payments, reporting, and much more, all from your Square dashboard. Square also gives you extensive inventory features going beyond basic inventory management. Features that you will find in most of the tools that you will find, even on the premium version of a lot of these inventory tools, you will find the same features you would find here. You are also going to get access to setting up custom sizes, materials, variations, and grouping options, which can help you in managing and capturing all payments, including subscriptions from inside Square. And in its free plan, it allows you to track sales and stock levels in real time to get important alerts and low stock levels easily. You can easily integrate Square with your other favorite tools again because Square is a inventory management software and it is usually used best for hospitality based businesses and physical retailers. Now, moving on to the next software on our list, we have Odoo Inventory. Now, Odoo Inventory is pretty popular and you will find a lot of results about this. Now, Odoo Inventory allows you to set up your operations like you would find in most other tools. You can set up your own manufacturing and warehousing. Odoo also does have a business suite and has many complementary and powerful business tools in terms of their free inventory activities that you can track real-time inventory management and understand and optimize your picking strategies. Odoo with popular and local carriers can also get you free barcode scanners, clearer inventory traceability, and Odoo offers a completely free plan for unlimited users. Locations, inventory, and transactions on Odoo are all very comprehensive on the free plan on Odoo, which you're not going to find in a lot of the other tools that we are going to be looking at. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Sortly. So, what exactly is Sortly? Now, Sortly allows you to add up to 100 items on their free plan, and you can only do that with one user and one custom field. The free plan does not allow for integrations, which can cause big issues and bugs. And for most people, having access to your own tools and integratable tools is pretty necessary. However, you can get access to a barcode scanning, real time data syncing, and inventory summaries reports at the best of Shortly. Now, Shortly is ideal for small businesses that have a small and basic inventory management requirement. You can easily use Shortly because it's a visually engaging platform for managing your inventory, but can be a bit difficult to use, especially if you're trying to grow your business and you're only using the free version. Now, moving on to our final tool of the day, we have Bittrex 24. Bittrex 24's inventory management solution allows you to manage all of your inventory in one space. Because Bittrex also has other solutions such as project management, tasks, documents, CRM, and much more, you're going to be able to set up your entire business through Bittrex 24. You can get access to free and basic inventory management tools and manage stock paperwork, stock receipts, sales, and more as soon as a new order is created until the delivery. You can easily manage all your processes in between completely for free. You can also access all the features with the mobile app of Bittrex 24, meaning that you can edit and update stock on Bittrex on the go, which is ideal for small to medium enterprises that are looking for basic inventory management tools as well as an all in one business platform. So, if you are looking to scale your business, then you will see that Odoo is a great option for people that are looking to expand their business. But all of these tools have their own pros and cons. And Bittrex is again allows you to create unlimited members and you would be able to create unlimited tasks. Now, if I was to pick any one, I would definitely say that Bittrex as well as Zoho and Odoo are my top picks. However, Shortly is very specific but can be very useful when you only need those specific features. Then you also have Square, which is another great tool, which is all in one and a pretty decent feature pack tool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to pick out your own inventory management tool. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.